Hello everyone! So in this video, I'm going to share with you top 21 tools that run my business. So we have here 3 steps which we are going to know, first of all is concept, then tools, and some action steps I'm going to give you in the description. So let's get inside. So here we have concept. So the number 1 concept is choose the tool which you feel more aligned with. What I mean is that the tool which you are selecting right now to purchase, to use, it should be something which is connected with you, which is easy to use for you, okay, and it is very minimal, and it does all the work you want from that tool, okay. If not, then which is the best that can give you the satisfaction which you want, okay. So that's the first thing, which is the priority of selecting a tool. Choose the tool which you feel more aligned with, okay. So the second concept is aim for the mastery. Just doesn't purchase tools and go like, yeah, I just purchased an email marketing tool, I just blasted an email post and done. That is not, no, this is not done. You have to master that tool. Every corner you should know about the tool. Like if something has changed, you should know what is the updation. Cause people if somebody upgrades, like if you are using ConvertKit, just for example, if you are using ConvertKit, you should know how to create landing pages, how to ship buttons, how to add links, and how to just automate, how to add pixels on the page, everything. You should know everything about the tool and just master on the tool. So just aim for the mastery, and the tool will be more you will feel more satisfied with the tool if you aim for the mastery, okay. So the third concept is the success ratio. This I'm sharing tools with you. This doesn't mean that you are going to succeed. We have a success ratio, like the 80% of the success comes with the internal game. Your internal game matters a lot. The 15% is from the external communication, and only 5% it depends on your tools. Only and only 5% depends on your tools. So the concept is clear. Let's get into the tools. So we have here our 21 tools. So let me show first tool with you. Let me share the first tool. So it is WordPress. WordPress is an software. It is a website building software, which is the best website building software you can ever imagine. This software helps you to create your websites your own, not with a developer, because this website builder is the best you can ever imagine. Best from Shopify. Yes, Shopify and Maangta, those are e-commerce site, but WordPress also makes an e-commerce site, a very well e-commerce site. So you in this business, WordPress is the most required thing, okay. So first tool is WordPress. Look, I'm sharing the tools. Is like 99 to 98% are linked with WordPress, okay. So let's come to the second tool. The second tool is WPX. WPX is an hosting. It's an hosting provider which gives you the hosting. Like I am using it from 2020, okay. 2021, yeah. This hosting is very fast, very fast. Like my website is literally a full upload. Like one page of my site is around 5 to 6 MB, okay. For downloading 5 to 6 MB, the hosting should be very fast. So this helps with that, because this hosting is the world's fastest hosting. And if I say the customer service about them here, their customer service is the best, not in just hosting. Like if I compare it any type of businesses, the customer service of WPX is the best, okay. The replies are very fast. Yeah, like if you are chatting with the WPX customer service, your problem will be solved as soon as possible. Third tool is OptimizePress. OptimizePress is an alternative of ClickFunnels. It is the page builder. Page builder, what I mean is, page builder it is a landing page builder. Okay, you create landing pages with Optimize Press. It only works with WordPress, but no worries. Elementor is also there, but Elementor is for like only page building, and Optimize Press gives you more feature. Yeah. So the fourth tool is Cartflows. Cartflows is also alternative of ClickFunnels, only for WordPress. It is an funnel builder. Like Cartflows use Elementor, not Optimize Press. So if you are like feeling bad for this, so yeah, this is the truth. But Elementor makes your game as well. Okay. So the fifth tool is Zapier. Zapier is an automation tool. I use Zapier a lot because Zapier makes things very faster, very easy. It doesn't require any clicks and all of that stuff. If the payment done, like Zoop, not like Zoop. Zoop is also in 1-2 seconds. It doesn't take also 1-2 seconds. The all process happen within just some amount of milliseconds. Okay, like you just purchased, the mail is in your email inbox. Okay, so the sixth tool is Sendinblue. Sendinblue is an email marketing software. So Sendinblue, actually, why I am pushing this up, because Sendinblue is a software. Like if you are starting, the Sendinblue can help you a lot, because this doesn't require any plans. Sendinblue helps, like it gives you a free plan of 300 emails a day. Automation happens, like automation is also free. You can automate all the emails 5-6 days, nurture your people very easy. Okay, so the seventh tool is ConvertKit. ConvertKit is also an email marketing software, as I told you in the starting. ConvertKit makes it helps you create landing pages. It also automates, and it has many features, but you can use ConvertKit when you are you are ready for investing in email marketing software. Otherwise, go with the Sendinblue. Okay, so the eighth tool is Zoom.us. Zoom, you all know Zoom. If you are student, then you will come in our live classes and master classes and workshops. So it is for live classes. Zoom is for live classes, webinars, masterclass, workshops, one-to-ones. Okay, so Zoom is the best for live classes. Okay, so the ninth tool is Instamojo. Instamojo is a payment gateway which I am currently using. It is I use many others, but Instamojo is currently the fastest, I can say, and Instamojo is very relatable and I feel more aligned with it. Okay, so Instamojo is very best. 10th is Razorpay. Razorpay is also an payment gateway. The Razorpay and Instamojo are very simple. So both the tool give the settlement in like 2 working days. So the 11th tool is Canva. Canva is in designing website, where you can design posters, banners, arts, cover arts, posts, Instagram posts. You can do anything you want in Canva. Canva is a better tool than Photoshop. If you are a beginner, then Canva can help you a lot, because I am a Photoshop guy, but my sister Vardhan Sahu is an Canva person. She makes better than me. Sometimes I also make better than her. But yeah, Canva is for beginners and also for intermediate and experts. Everybody can use it. Canva used for thumbnails, everything. You can create everything, presentations, all that stuff. Okay, so 12th is Streamlabs OBS. Streamlabs OBS is for streaming and recording. Some people here knows that for what Streamlabs used for. The video currently I'm recording is also from Streamlabs. I'm recording from Streamlabs. The 13th tool is WooCommerce. WooCommerce is only for WordPress. It is an e-commerce builder. It helps you to manage your orders, products. Okay, sell your products on your website, on your WordPress website. I am using it currently, and I think so everybody uses WooCommerce today. So 14th is Google Sidekick. Google Sidekick is a statistics tool. Yeah, I think so it is also for other websites also, but Google Sidekick is a plugin for WordPress, and it helps a lot for watch my statistics, the keywords which are ranking my website up. Okay, and the page views what I'm getting. Yeah, I also use some other statistic tools, but Google Sidekick is all in one, so that's why I'm recommending this here. So the 15th tool is Google Drive. Google Drive helps you storing files. Actually, all the resources PDFs I just uploaded on Google Drive, because if I want to update the file, I just upload the file once again, and it shows me that it asks me that if you want to what we can say, change the version, update the version of the PDF. If you want that, we can do it. Otherwise, if you want to separate it, yeah, we can do it. So Google Drive is the best for storing files. I just create links, create short links, then share with you all. Okay, so the 16th tool is Linktree. Linktree is a tool for it is a tree of links. Our Linktree will be in the description. Linktree it is like this, linktr.ee. Okay, it is like this. Okay, a tree of links. So the 17th tool is LearnDash. LearnDash is an LMS, learning management system. Yeah. 18th, WP activity log. It is also a plugin for WordPress. If in LearnDash I can't see statistics, it is also not very good in the cause for the admin also. So LearnDash, for watching all my students' activities, I have WP activity log, which is a log viewer. Logs are what every click the person made in my site. I can know who made it. If he is not logged in, I can see his IP address and number. Okay. So the 19th tool is FCPX. FCPX is Final Cut Pro X. It is an editing software. Okay, editing software. It helps. I'm currently using FCP, because it is very fast and it renders if I'm editing, and it is rendering in the backside, so it exports faster than Premiere Pro or any other editing software. Yeah, I also use After Effects, Premiere Pro, Filmora, but the FCP is all-rounder, so it is the best, I can say. So the 20th tool is GarageBand. GarageBand is a podcast recording or music recording, you can also say that. But I use, personally I use this software for podcast recording. All my podcasts, the Natural Artistic Science podcast, the link is in the description, is recorded from the GarageBand. So let's come to the last tool. 21 is MindNote. MindNote is an mind mapping software. This is a mind mapping software which I am currently using. Okay, so it is only for Apple person. Yeah, we have alternatives of this MindMaster. We have MindMaster and one other one more tool is there. I'm just correcting it. Yeah, I will give this PDF, this mind map PDF to you in the description also. MindMaster and X Mind, and I think so there is one more, MindMeaster. Yeah, I think so it is there. Yeah, so we have 3 tools. I currently use this too for Windows. If I am on Windows, I use Xmind a lot, not MindMaster, but previously I was using MindMaster. Yeah, so let's come to the action steps. So your task is just go to the description, subscribe to my channel, like. If you doesn't like this video, just dislike, comment down, and in the description I shared a link with you for my upcoming masterclass. Just click on the link, you will know everything you should know about the masterclass. So this is all. God bless you.